Wait here, wait here. We're at this German dairy farm, and the cows are definitely not used to seeing extra people. They're looking at us like we're crazy. They got nice udders.
They got really nice udders, yeah.
Tell me if it's going to trip me up, okay?
Also weil hier, wir sind auf dieser Seite von der Land.
So this is Thomas Hunger?
Yes.
Thomas Hunger?
Yes.
And you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, Biohof.
Biohof, which is organic farm, is it? Is that what it stands for?
Nicht mehr. Nein, no.
No? What is it?
What's the difference?
What's the name? What's the name in English?
Yes, it's organic farmer, right?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
Name of English.
Yeah. But you're not. Are you organic?
Biohof of YouTube.
Yeah.
So, bist du organisch oder nicht?
Nicht mehr. Seit Mai nicht mehr.
Not longer since May.
Oh, you're not organic.
No, it has
okay.
changed. The status has changed.
Yeah.
So, warum nicht?
Because the cows we have buy in Denmark and the milk production we can sell the milk as conventional.
Okay. Yep.
And this is the reason why we make conventional.
Yeah. So how many cows? How many cows?
Milking cows today or
now, like how many?
I was in 13.
13?
Yes, and the whole cows are 25.
25. Okay. Yep.
Those are the ones we saw.
Yeah. We saw some up in the paddock.
We have 37 places here in the shed.
37.
Yeah.
Okay.
So are you trying to get bigger?
Do you want to go to 37? You milk?
Yes, we will milk 37 cows.
Yep.
Eventually.
Yes.
Slowly
Is that,
build numbers
are
up.
you going to buy in or breed? Wirst du die einkaufen oder wirst du die selber züchten dann?
Breed.
Yeah.
Breed.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's cheapest.
Genau. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So who inspired you?
We have buy 25 in Denmark, and these cows are very expensive.
Okay. Yeah. So who inspired you to have Jersey cows?
I have
So once a day farmer?
Yes, I have overseen a once a day farmer, and yes, this is the reason why I'm inspired.
Yeah. Yep. And Jerseys are not common in Germany?
Yes, also in Germany there gives any construction they have jerseys.
Okay. Yep. Because I thought in Germany you'd mainly have Holstein Friesian.
It is very new with the jerseys.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
Where's more? Right. I must build it.
Yeah. Yep. There comes the scraper, dragging all the muck back down out that. Well, just there's a little slot by that door down there, and here's the first cows that have been milked. They're not too used to extra humans around. I'd say they're pretty quiet though, because they're not running away. So there's a slot just there, you can see. I assume the thicker stuff, or the runnier stuff will go down, but you can see there's a bit of hay build up because you're naturally going to get a bit of hay along the edge. So these are the stalls. So he was saying he has 37 stalls, and they're milking 13, and they got 25 jerseys so far, so they plan on getting up to 37. No, it's normally quite clean. So these cows are calving soon? Heifers are calving
in June, in July and August.
June, July. Okay, so spread out.
4, 4 and 5.
4, 4 and 5. So do you calve? Will you calve all year round? You know, so every month some cows calve. Every month. So
no, we will make block.
Spring. Oh, like New Zealand.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So you do like spring calving.
Calving, yes.
Okay.
Spring calving and.
So you get a break.
Yes.
Come to New Zealand.
Ja, aber dort ist es auch schwierig, oder? Betrieb zu kriegen oder sowas? Hast du dort Möglichkeiten zu starten? Oder
Nee, es ist schwierig. Also es war 2 Monaten, wo wir nichts produziert haben, haben wir gesagt,
Oh mate, do I need to do your hair again?
I wanna.
There you go. Is that better?
I wanna have.
Oh, did you pull it down? Pretty nice to him.
Ja.
Look how big he is compared to you. Look at his feet. Look how big those feet are. I think he's a bit of a Clydesdale. Maybe. Not sure.
Und die machen das so, dass die
See, these posts are actually trees that have been split. That's a proper post there, but he's got quite a few that are just trees that he's split and using them as posts. What's it called? What do you call it? For what do you call it? For what do you call it?
Das ist Fortschritt. Vom DDR, was ist?
The former East German.
A good tractor?
Still runs, Amos.
Yeah, it still goes.
Not so good wie Fendt.
Yeah. So,
That's real German quality.
so he'd much rather drive that than this. That's still for me, it's a cool looking tractor.
Yes,
You know, it's different. We don't have these in New Zealand.
My kids think also.
A cool tractor. Yeah. Yeah.
It is with air.
Oh yeah.
When
When it's running.
it's running, the
Okay,
steps
lifts up.
go down, lift up. Yes.
It's very cool. So do you still use it? Do you use it? Like does
Yes,
it work,
yes.
work on the farm?
I make silage
Okay.
and I driving
I'll roll it.
roller. Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep. Do you mow?
No.
Oh yeah.
I make all with Fendt.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is
This is just your second tractor.
this
First tractor?
This,
First
this was my first tractor.
Yeah.
And then comes the Fendt
Yeah.
and now the second tractor.
Yeah. How many horsepower is the Fendt? Horsepower.
Horsepower. This tractor have 100
Oh yeah.
PS
Yeah.
and this tractor have 136.
Oh yeah. Yeah. What do you reckon, Ezra?
Okay.
Cool tractor. Bit of German engineering. What do you reckon, Anders?
Okay.
Yeah. Should we go and have a look at another one?
Yeah.
(2021) and this here old East German.
Yes.
But it works. But it
1980.
but it works.
Yes.
It works.
It
Yeah.
works. Yes.
Yeah. Nice fun. Is that an old one? Old one? Old one or?
Old one.
Yeah.
Yes.
But it works.
Very old.
But it works.
Yes.
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 You.
It is West Germany, London.
So you,
Not East.
so you do all your own, everything yourself
Yes.
on your farm.
I make myself. all.
Everything you
Everything,
do.
yes.
No contractor.
Bigger.
Jahre.
He also said it was really hard to find a provider for just chicory seeds.
Oh
They
yeah.
have a mix with grass and chicory, but not pure
What about
chicory.
turnips? Are they easy to get?
Probably similar thing, yeah.
From 79.
79.
More than
And I use it.
Yeah. So is it a bit newer than the one up there?
Yes.
Yep. Yep. So what is it called? What brand? You know, Fendt or Messevig, what brand? Fendt, Messevig.
This is Andemeister. Fortschritt.
the same
East
German
one.
quality.
East German. Good.
East German.
Good
yes.
quality.
Good quality.
There you go. Climb up, Ezra. We're gonna go and harvest some wheat, okay? Do you do is that a broadcaster?
Grill.
Yeah.
Seed.
Oh,
Yes.
I see pipes.
Seed, yes.
Yep.
With air.
Yep. That'll
It's
be
for-
good for turnips.
Yes, and for grass in the paddocks.
Yeah, yeah. Yep. So oh yeah, so it's,
Yes.
in New Zealand we call it, it'd be like a broadcaster. Look at this tractor. No, don't hop in because it's on the hill. Oh, you know. Is it a
Zweizylinder. Two
two-cylinder?
Yes.
It's a big tractor. Stand beside it so you can see how big it
It's
is.
good for the shed.
Yeah, yeah, in the shed. Yeah. It's very different.
When cow lies down in the shed, you can drive with the tractor
Yep.
in and can
Lift it up.
Lift it up. Yes.
So this combine 1975, same brand as that other one we looked at, just a lot older. It looks like an old one, Asia.
Yeah.
And the other one is a 1993, and it's been rebuilt, so it's actually like new. So this is a maize paddock, but the pigs have got to it, so he's actually drilled this for a second time. These bigger plants you can see here are the first time, and then actually out there there's another row. They're not growing yet. And he plants barley to try and deter the pigs, so the wild pigs have been getting into his maize. So yeah, they plant a bit of barley beside. It's quite stony soil. It's a stone. Don't walk on the seeds, eh? And just don't walk on those. So this field we're in is barley. So I'm learning all the time, all the different types. Spring wheat, winter wheat, barley. So I think the paddock I talked about, well, walked past in an earlier video was actually wheat. And then I've learnt what rye is. So we've got some rye, bit of rye coming up in amongst. Where's the rye here? So this is rye, because rye has those sort of like hair on it, whereas wheat doesn't have it on it. So yeah, learning all the time. Yeah,
Yeah, it's dry.
too dry, the rock, too much rock.
Here are rocks.
It's too dry. Yeah, there's a lot of rock. You could start a quarry for the road.
Yes. No dirt.